We're back in the garage doing a little maintenance. This is a Harbor Freight Predator 3200 4000 max generator. It actually has a 1430 twist lock. 1430 twist lock, 240 volts. This one over here, which is a bigger generator, 5000 watt generator, 13 horsepower Subaru engine. This guy only has a 1420. I don't know if you can make it out because that's upside down. All right, come right there. 14. It's so hard to see, but it's a 1420. You can see it there. Okay. Anyway, so we ran this one dry, drained the bowl, dumped the oil, put in new oil, 5W30. Doing the same thing on this. But here's the quick tip, right? So when you change the oil, most of these small engines only take about a half a quart of oil. What I did here a little while back is I saved one of these Briggs & Stratton, whatchamacallit, it's a 20 fluid ounce, 0.59 liter little oil bottle. So all I do is I keep refilling it with the oil that I need, and that's going to get me pretty much where I need to be on these small engines, whether it's a 6 horsepower. Actually, that over there, that's a 13 horsepower Subaru, or 9 horsepower Subaru. One or the other, I don't know. But anyway, that only took a little bit more than a half a quart. So anyway, that's my little tip. Just save the bottles like this. Save one of these bottles, and that way it'll be a lot easier than measuring and guessing how much oil overflowing and all that stuff. Right? So save yourself one of these 20 fluid ounce bottles, and you're golden. See you on the next one. Subscribe, rate, like, all that stuff. Tell me how I'm doing it wrong. Give me some comments.